On your driving test, your examiner may ask you to carry out a parallel park. This is the maneuver that scares people the most, and it's one of the most common reasons that people fail their UK driving test. If you do get asked to do the parallel parking on your driving test, the way it will start is your examiner will ask you where to pull over to start your maneuver. So for example, they may say, pull up on the left before that black car, checking your mirrors, signal, slow down to a walking speed, and pull the car in. And when you do pull over, make sure not to get too close to the target vehicle because you make it difficult for yourself to come back out again. Then secure the car. Shortly afterwards, your examiner is going to ask you to pull up alongside the vehicle in front and then reverse back behind it again, trying to finish within 2 car lengths and trying to finish reasonably close and parallel with the curb. I'm Mustafa, a driving instructor with over 9 years experience, so I've pretty much seen it all. And in this video, I'll be showing you exactly how to do your parallel parking to make sure that by the time your test comes, you have the confidence to be able to do it perfectly. So I can signal, move off, and aim to create about half a car door gap between me and this black car. Drive about half a car length past it and make it nice and straight. Once we get there, straight into reverse gear. Now because I'm reversing, starting the observations from the right shoulder, I'm working my way around, then reversing back in a straight line until the back of my car makes it just past that car there. At this point here, we stop, and because I want the car to go left, I look around and I do 1 rotation to the left, that's a full 360 turn, and keep coming back until the car makes around about a 30-degree angle, like a pizza slice, like a thin pizza slice. At this point here, we stop, look around again, and do 1 turn to the right, then keep backing up until the car gets about 2 feet from the pavement. The way to judge this is either by looking in your left mirror, or if your car's got a reversing camera. When the middle blue line touches, that's your time to make your next turn to the right, and keep reversing back until the car aligns with the car in front of the pavement. Finally get looking around and straighten over by turning 1 turn back to the left again, and then park, handbrake, and secure the car. And your examiner will say, thank you, drive on again when you're ready.